So this might seem kind of obvious, but don't hire dumbasses. In this next video, you'll see this guy has no idea what he's doing when it comes to fly fishing. And you're like, well, that doesn't really matter, no one cares. The problem is you're actually spending ad dollars to target hardcore fly fishermen. And when they watch this, they're gonna be so turned off because it's not authentic, and they clearly know that this brand doesn't know anything about what they're doing. So why would they ever go buy the product? It's basically wasted advertising budget and wasted cost on producing this video.
Start living well. Your best life starts here.
So again, on this next video coming up, I see this all the time. Part of this is because I've grown up in the outdoors, from climbing, mountain biking, kayaking, racing cars, you name it, I've pretty much done it outdoors. So I see this stuff and I kind of call it out a little bit. However, the source of the problem is still, if you're going to target this demographic, especially a niche demographic like this next one is done, the climbing in this is so off. They have ice axes when there's no snow anywhere around. They're hammering gear and like horrible rock, and then free soloing some of the stuff, and then some of it looks like they'll eat it. If you're not a climber, it doesn't really matter. But the problem is, if you pay a company to build this campaign for you and they don't spend the time to do the research and figure out your core audience, your core demographic, and how it's actually done, all the climbers, as you'll see in the next clip and following, we'll show you the forum, are just threads of calling these people out like it's not authentic at all. You just lost them, wasted all that ad spend. Like, don't even try it if it's not gonna be authentic.
And this is mountain whiskey. Unspoiled, untamed, forever wild. There's no safety net, no way down. Up here, it's just man and the mountain and his tin cup. Tin Cup Whiskey. Mountain whiskey.
So ultimately, don't hire dumbasses. If you're gonna do a core target demographic campaign and you want to have this thing be authentic, hey, we love that idea. We love the outdoors. That's why we're based in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's the outdoor mecca of the world. Just don't hire dumbasses that are gonna make a bunch of fake campaigns that just piss off that core demographic you were really trying to go for in the first place.